Welcome investors! Today we'll be talking about one of the smallest positions in my portfolio. I have a couple of some of those positions and eventually I will reveal all of them to you. The reasons for purchasing those stocks were pretty strange. Let's start with the one we will be talking about today. I decided to buy this stock because I use the product of this company and I'm very happy with this product. That's why I decided to buy the shares of this company. Generally, it is not recommended to buy the shares of the company based on only looking into the product of the company. What is recommended before buying any shares is looking into the balance sheet of the company. But I disregarded this and decided to buy the shares of this company just based on the product of this company, which I use for the past 6 years. So we will be talking about Honda Motors, and the product which I use from this company for past 6 years is 2013 Honda Odyssey. I got this car from Insurance Auto Auction. This has become my favorite place to get the cars recently. Car was after a minor accident and the right rear sliding door and front rear door had to be replaced. The reason for buying this car was a low mileage. This is the major and the most important factor for me in the car. Car doesn't have a leather, doesn't have heated seats, doesn't have any extra features, not so many bells and whistles. It is a basic version of Odyssey with the great 3.5 liter engine which produced 250 horsepower. At the time of buying, car had 36,000 miles. This is all what I wanted and this is all what I needed. I use this car for work anyway, so it doesn't have to be a show-off car. So idea a show off with the car anyway somehow doesn't go along with me anyway. The most important thing with the car for me is a low mileage, reliable engine and the good size of the car. So low mileage of the car will give me more time before things starts breaking down in the car. And the good size of the car body will give me higher chances of surviving any accidents. That's why instead of buying Honda Civic, I decided to buy Honda Odyssey. Just more sheets of metal protecting me and my family in case of any accidents. Currently, I have some issues with the sliding door, which I replaced after the accident. They basically don't always close when I press the button, but the second time usually works. And I understand that this is the price which I'm paying for buying a car from auto auction after accident. The most important thing for me is engine, powertrain and steering, and this delivers and I don't have any problems with those things so far. Okay, but that's enough and let's talk about the company a little bit. Let's take a look at the capital structure of Honda Motors, revenue of the company and net income for past 5 years. Market cap of Honda Motors is $53.42 billion. Total debt is $77.3 billion. This is a little scary because it is 144% of the value of the company. But if you look at the cash on hands, they have $31.24 billion. And they have a product, and I would say they have entire line of products which are selling really well. So this is something which is very optimistic for the future, even with this huge debt. Let's take a look at the revenue and the income of the Honda Motors. Revenue for past 5 years, 2016 was 113 billion, 2017 1.8, 2018 124 billion, 2019 121, and 2020 was 114 billion dollars. Net income of the company was for 2016 3.1 billion, 2017 5.5 billion, 2018 $10 billion, and then drop in 2019 5.5 billion, and 2020 $4.2 billion. Now let's take a look at my small position of Honda Motors. My Honda shares, I purchased basically just 100 shares of Honda on April 8, 2020, and I paid $21.87. As of right now, May 8, 2021, the shares cost $30 and a couple cents. So basically, the increase in value of my investments in Honda is 40%. So I invested total $2,232.20, and as of right now, this 100 shares turn out to be worth $3,141.68. This what you see here in September 14, in December 9, and March 15, 2021. That's basically dividends because Honda pays dividends. So that's a nice addition to this this small position, and I'm gonna hold Honda for good 10-15 years, I would say, until my retirement time. So like I said, just 100 shares, and I don't think I'm gonna be buying any more shares unless they go down to similar price to this one, around $21. Like I said, as of right now, it's $30, so it's way too high, and it is against my strategy to buy the shares at this price because what I do, basically, I'm contrarian investor. I'm buying when everybody else is selling. So this small position satisfies me so far. So Honda reported 171% increase in sales in comparison to the last year. Car sales is 125% up, and truck sales is 207% up. This is a strong indication in recovery coming back after the pandemic time. So Honda also is trying to achieve 40% electric vehicles by 2030, 80% by 2035, and 100% by 2040. So Honda is trying really hard to be in the leading pack of electric vehicles. We will see if this is going to put Honda in the future in the leading pack. Future of auto industry will not be only electric, in my opinion. I think we will have variety of cars powered by electric, powered by hydrogen, powered by conventional gasoline motors. I don't think that we will have 90% of the cars being only electric. But I might be wrong. If you look at the Tesla, how Tesla is doing for past 3-4 years, the shares of Tesla are climbing like crazy. So maybe instead of buying Honda, I should have bought Tesla. So the reason why I didn't buy Tesla is this, what I just said. I believe that there will be a different cars powered by different sources. Although, like you heard, Honda by 2040 is planning to go also 100% electric. So if they go 100% electric, I'll also capitalize on the trend. What do you think about this, what I just said? Do you agree with me or you disagree? If you disagree, please write me down your comments. I would love to hear from you. And like always, if you like this video, please hit the thumb up. Share this video with your friends on Twitter, Facebook, on all social media. I deeply appreciate your help with building a very simple investing channel. Thank you very much for spending your valuable time with me. If you like the video again, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much again for your time. Have a great day.